Meaning of hedge.
hedge,
Hedge.
hedge,
Hedge. Hedge is a term often used in finance and investing to refer to a strategy that is implemented to mitigate or offset potential losses that could result from adverse movements in the market. Hedging involves taking a position in a related asset or financial instrument to reduce risk exposure. The goal is to secure a guaranteed return while reducing exposure to risk. By implementing a hedge, investors can protect their investments in case of unpredictable market fluctuations. Overall, hedging is a common practice in finance that provides an element of security for investors.